Now you can also create Pixar-style 3D animations completely for free. How? Let me show you the entire process. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the complete working of Whisk AI from image generation all the way to creating a full video. So when you open Whisk AI, you'll see three main options: subject, scene, and style. In the subject section, you describe what you want to focus on. For example, a person, an object, or a character. In the scene section, you define the environment or background, like a city street, a forest, or a cinematic studio setup. And in the style section, you choose the overall artistic tone, whether you want it to look realistic, Pixar style, anime, or cinematic. Once you've filled in all three sections, simply type your final prompt describing the complete idea and hit generate. You can also set the aspect ratio to match your format, for example, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels and Shorts. As soon as the image is generated, you'll notice a small animate button at the corner. Just tap on it, type your animation prompt describing how you want your image to move, and hit submit. Within seconds, Whisk AI will turn your still image into a dynamic video clip. By repeating this process for multiple short scenes, you can easily build your own complete AI-generated video from scratch.